In the small town of Willowbrook, the first school bell of the year rang through the crisp morning air, ushering in a day of new beginnings at Maplewood Elementary. As the children streamed into the schoolyard, a mix of nervous excitement filled the air. Among them was 8-year-old Mia, clutching her new pink backpack tightly. Her eyes darted around the sea of unfamiliar faces, until she spotted Leo, her neighbor, who flashed her a reassuring smile. Together, they joined the queue of students awaiting their fate for the next school year. As Ms. Hawthorne, the third-grade teacher, called EAC H student into the classroom, Mia noticed the walls adorned with colorful posters and shelves brimming with books. It all seemed a bit overwhelming, yet strangely inviting. She found her desk and sat down next to a girl named Zoe, who had curly red hair and a ready smile. The day flew by with a whirlwind of activities, math puzzles, a spelling bee, and a fun science experiment that had everyone giggling over a bubbling potion. At lunch, Mia and Leo shared a bench, trading sandwiches and stories. Zoe joined them, and the trio discovered a shared love of space. Inspired, they decided to form an astronomy club. After lunch, the kids headed outside where the real adventures began. The playground was their castle, and they were knights and princesses defending it from dragons. Laughter echoed as they darted around the slides and swings, creating tales of bravery and friendship. When the final bell rang, signaling the end of the school day, Mia felt a pang of sadness that it was over so soon. However, the promise of tomorrow, with its possibility of new friends and new adventures, left her feeling eager and hopeful. School, she decided, was going to be a wonderful world to explore.